As an adult with 3 kids, I don't get a lot of time to do extracurricular activities. So what do? I play video games. I'm going to show you in this video how playing video games can really help you in your overall life.
Reason number 1, reducing stress.
As we get older, we're continually faced with more pressures in life. Jobs, kids, and many other responsibilities that take an incredible amount of time and stress out of your day. Playing video games is a great way to de-stress from the demands of everyday life and enjoy doing something while you're doing it.
Oh man, that was crap! He was right behind you! I can't understand why you suck at this game so bad. Why is it that you're always garbage? Why are you always garbage? Garbage! Oh, this game sucks! I thought you were better than this. Why is your rank so high? I can't believe you play like this. What is the matter with you?
Reason number 2, connecting with friends.
When you have a job and family, it's hard to connect with friends. A lot of the time, your friends have jobs and families, and sometimes they just live far away, and they don't have time to meet up in person. Video games provide you with that chance to bond with your friends that live far away, or that just don't have a chance to get out and really connect with them on a deeper level.
Hey man, I'm really happy to be playing with you. We haven't played in a long time.
No, everything's fine. Kids are good. Everything's good.
I don't even know why I play this with you. You're such a piece of crap. I just don't understand. Like, you're just the worst player ever. John, I don't know why you play this game. You're trash then back in college, and you're trash now. I don't understand why I even play with you. You're such a piece of garbage. Why aren't you getting any better? It's been 20 years, man. What's your problem?
What's that? Yeah, I'm playing with John. He does not play video games too much. No, that's not why Sheila left him.
Why are you crying?
Oh, why? You're watching the end of Top Gun Maverick? I hear you.
All right, let's play. What other reason is there to cry as a man?
Reason number 3, playing with your spouse.
When you're married with kids, it's hard to find time to have date nights. You want to find things to do together when you're around the house, especially since you have children and you can't get a chance to go out. So video games are a great option. Playing a game together in co-op mode to get to one goal is a great way to spend time with your spouse and have fun, especially if you're just trying to cut some stress and some tension. But be warned, friendly competition is fun, but if you and your spouse are very competitive, this might not be the best option. So it really just depends on what kind of married couple you guys are. So tread with caution. It can get crazy competitive and sometimes it can lead to fights.
Reason number 4, take your mind off of things.
Sometimes you just need a way to space out to get over the craziness of the day. We all have things in our life that are very demanding and that take a toll on our brain. Playing video games can help your brain relax so you can recharge for the next day. No, I'm not sleeping. Let's play. No, it wasn't me.
Reason number 5, provide silence.
With a full-time job and 3 kids in my house, it's hard to find a time to have quiet. Video games have helped me reduce the noise to the part where it just seems overwhelming. Video games will help this because it really helps you with your overall sanity. It helps you break apart the day so you don't have to hear so much noise at night.
Reason number 6, it's just fun.
Whether they're playing with your friends, your kids, your spouse, video games are a way to kind of bring everyone together regardless of age. They're a great way to bond with the people closest to you in life and to bring everyone together. Thanks guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you really like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Leave a comment. I would love to see what you guys think of these videos. Thanks.